English questions about family. How many people are there in your family? In my family, we are 6 people. There is my mom and my dad, my older brother, me, and 2 younger brothers. What is something you like about your mom or dad? Of course, everybody loves their mom and dad. I really appreciate my mom taking care of us. She is an amazing cook and she's very sensitive and caring. I really appreciate that about her. My dad is very hardworking. He's constantly trying to do something. If it's working in the garden or working on a project, I really respect him for his hard work and work ethic. Are your parents strict? When I was young, my parents were very strict. Because they had 4 boys, they needed to be strict and enforce rules. But as I grew older, my parents started relaxing and they weren't as strict. What is something that your family does together? My family usually watches sports or eats dinner or lunch and also pray together. Who does the cooking at home? Right now, I live alone, so unfortunately, I do the cooking. But when I'm with my family, my mom is the best cook, so she does all the cooking and we do the dishes afterwards. Do you ever wish to get away from your family? Yes, from an early age, I started moving away from my family, if it's to go and study or to work or to another country. But I always miss and love my family, so it feels good to be reunited and share experiences together. Do you have a large extended family? Yes, we are very close to my mom's side of the family and my dad's side of the family. On my dad's side, he has many sisters, so we have many cousins. On my mom's side, she has a brother and a couple of sisters, so they are also a big family. Together, I have a very large extended family. How are families changing compared to the past? In the past, families used to be quite large, with 4 or 5 or 6 or maybe more children being born. These days, people are planning their families and having fewer children, perhaps 2, 3 or only 1 child in their families. Would you like to get married in the future? Yes, my plan is to get married in the future and to start a family. But I am running out of time, so I'll have to start fairly soon. What is the best thing that your parents have taught you? My parents have taught me the value of working hard and setting goals that I need to achieve. So when you have a plan, you work as hard as you can to achieve whatever you set yourself to. That is the only way to reach success, is by working hard and following your dreams. How old is everyone in your family? I hope my family doesn't mind, but my dad, I think, is 67. My mom is 59. My older brother is turning 38, so he's 37 right now. I am 35. My younger brother is 33. And my youngest brother, I think, is 27. Do you get along with your siblings? Yes, I really like my brothers and we get along. When we were younger, we used to get into a lot of fights, but whenever we are together right now, we get along. Even though our personalities are very different, we understand each other and we get along. What are some rules that your parents have? The main rule my parents had was don't break anything and don't hurt your brothers. And you have to clean after yourself. I think that has helped me whenever I visit other people's homes and when I live on my own. How does your family celebrate holidays? Usually for longer holidays, we would plan a trip to go to the beach. For shorter holidays, we relax at home and we play sports outside. For big events like Christmas, we prepare a big meal at home. What chores do you do at home? When I was young, we had to always help out with the laundry by hanging it up, or we had to help my dad in the garden to cut grass or to throw away leaves. Inside the house, we have to wash dishes and clean our rooms. How often do you meet your extended family? In the past, we used to meet around Christmas time, so once a year. But right now I live in South Korea, which is very far away, so I meet them every couple of years, unfortunately. Why do so many people choose not to get married or to have children? The main reason more people don't get married is because of money. It is very expensive getting married and to start a family. The other reason is that people want to do their own thing and spend their time on whatever they enjoy instead of getting married or starting a family. What is your ideal partner or family? My ideal partner is someone that I get along with similar values, and someone that is very caring and thinking about starting a family in the future. Once we have a family, perhaps 2 or 3 children, and we do our best to take care of our kids, but also enjoy our lives fully. What will you teach your children in the future? Obviously, I want to raise my future children to be capable adults and to enjoy their lives. I also want to instill confidence in them to chase their dreams and achieve the success they want with their lives. If you would like more questions like these, check out the book in the description below.